Welcome to the Country Castle. Welcome to me sharing my life. I am Sarah. I am a mother of 8, and every day I make sure that I get a good workout in. Sometimes that is lifting some weights, and sometimes it's more cardio based. But this is something really important for me to rebuild my body after having 8 children. It also just keeps me strong and healthy. I have the energy I need to serve the big family that I have. And so this is really, really important for me. So I always start my day this way.
How about this?
Another non-negotiable for me every day is getting ready. I'm not saying you have to be fancy or done up to the nines. I am saying give yourself a little bit of time to look a little more beautiful and just approach your life your best self. This really helps me. I then always get some breakfast ready for the family. It varies. Sometimes it's sausage and eggs, sometimes it's oatmeal, sometimes it's all of it on the same day because everybody kind of wants something different, but I feel like oatmeal is just such a good, basic, hearty food. And sometimes my kids eat a bowl of cold cereal. Sometimes we don't even complicate it and we let ourselves off the hook by making something a little more easy. Before I get baking, I'm gonna light my candle. I always light my Antique Candle Co. candle every single day in different rooms of the house. This is their harvest pear and it is so wonderful. I'm also gonna get some laundry changed over before I start cooking. My laundry is actually in the same area as my kitchen, and I thought that someday I would like an actual laundry room. But after living in this home for 7 years, I will never ever change my laundry from being here in my kitchen because it is so nice to be able to bake and change out laundry in the same area. It has been a game changer and it's probably one of my favorite features of my home now. I am trying something new today. Last night I put together my cinnamon roll dough, and instead of making cinnamon rolls, I'm going to make a ham and cheese baked roll for my family for lunch and see if it turns out. I am really trying to uncomplicate my life and use the systems I already have in place to maybe tweak them a little bit to try something new. And honestly, that is something that I am focusing on this year, being fully present and not overcomplicating things and making them harder than they need to be. And I really want to see if this works out.
Yeah, there's some cheese in there. I can eat it. So I ate it.
Okay. Trying to think of which pan. It is. Well, we did long.
Oh, it's Sarah.
Thank you.
What's the sound?
What's the sound?
How did I do that?
Isn't that crazy? Today, I am working on keeping things more simple so that I am not running myself ragged as a mom. An easy cookie recipe. This is my brown butter chocolate chip recipe that is so good. Using the same recipe over and over again just makes you better at making that thing, and it becomes really easy. We don't have to kill ourselves in the kitchen to make something delicious. Most of the time, my children just love the things that I make the best. We also need to celebrate the fact that Sophia let me put braids in her hair, and they are so cute. Our ham and cheese rolls turned out so delicious, just in time for lunch because everybody was hungry. I started this dough the night before, but you could easily do this dough in the morning and have these for the evening for like a dinner. Kids loved them. So now it's time to feed my hungry family of 10. We were at the store and saw these cute little cookies, and sometimes you buy the store-bought cookies and put them on a plate and make them a little fancy to also make things a little bit more uncomplicated and fun.
I'm done. Done.
It took me some time to understand that beyond what I teach in my home, the greatest thing my children are going to take away from me is how they feel. My goal is to always help them feel love, peace, and calm in a world that is always moving and maybe has the opposite emotion. There is something really valuable that we have in our homes that is sacred in being able to create that beautiful environment for them. And I hope that you took away some inspiration today in what you can bring into your own homes. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.